हेलो दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल लाइव ट्यूटोरियल में। आज मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ सक्सेस मंत्रास दैट यू कैन अप्लाई ऑन योर लाइफ एंड बिकम सक्सेस। नंबर 1, कंसिस्टेंसी। बी कंसिस्टेंट, नेवर गिव अप, one day you will get success. Try and try. Smart work. Do smart work. There are many people who do hard work, but find out the easier way to do a work. It's on you how to make work easier. Don't waste time. Time is very important for a person. Time never stops for anyone. Keep struggling. Stop overthinking. Many people who overthink. Stop overthinking, is a waste of time. Keep learning. Learn and learn more and various things. Learn by teaching others. Try new things like digital marketing, new technology, new language like French, German, etc., coding, computer, basic courses, etc., and many more. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Meet you soon.